She is totally honest about what it means to be great in classical singing and in life.
She was a powerful, powerful, powerful woman who was told her entire life, you're not pretty enough, you're not skinny enough, you're not good enough, it's gonna go to someone better than you. You're too temperamental, you're too all of these things.
She was fearless and she didn't care what people thought of her. It was all about the work with her. There's a great line that Terrence writes in the show is, "Oh honey, I was never young," which I love because if you're going to be young and do great things, you have to be able to take people not liking you and other people's angst. The fearlessness is something I think we all as actors and the audience can take away, definitely.
She believes that everything is in the music. You have to listen to the music. Listening to the music is the most important thing. And that these composers knew the human heart and that they understand emotion and human emotion. And she worked very hard to find the truth of a situation and of a character's situation and to sing the truth of that character's point of view, right? She brought these characters to life with such passion, and I think people felt what she was singing about more so than they do with a lot of other singers.
One thing that set her apart from everyone else is that she did care, genuinely care about the acting, you know, and the storytelling, which is, Lord, on top of having to learn the placement and the style of singing, then it's also like she wants you to tell the story too. So it's not just about one or the other, it's kind of about putting both of them together, which made her as spectacular as she was.
But the voice is so personal because it's you. And what she has been able to do with her voice and just the way, if you listen to a recording of her, I mean, it's just, it exposes her soul. You can feel really how she was feeling in the moment, and nobody compares to her. And the amount of total, just how she put everything into her art. And it's just, I would just say thank you for that.